Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Mmeats barbecue chicken wings. I've tried a whole bunch of their other flavors before, but I've never tried their barbecue. So here's the nutrient found. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There's the ingredients right there. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. So it does contain soy. And here are the wings all done. So let's do a quick taste test. There we go. So it's got a subtle. There's no heat. There's maybe a minor amount of heat to it. And the barbecue sauce isn't really sweet. It's got a salty taste to it. So yeah, it's actually not bad. You know, when I'm thinking about barbecue, I always think it would be sweeter, but it's actually not. Which is actually pretty good. So, alright guys, stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to the channel.